Abhijit Deepke, founder of the Cockroach Janata Party, on June 11th urged students to pledge that they would not engage in Hindu-Muslim politics, saying such decisive politics is holding back India's progress in sectors such as artificial intelligence, semiconductors and clean energy. Climate activist Sonam Wangchuk also participated in the protest held in Pune. Deepke released a 5-point exam manifesto for students affected by examination disruptions, demanding 10,000 rupees compensation for paper leaks, exam postpones or delayed results. He also called for special trains during large recruitment drives, a backup exam date for every test with cancelled exams conducted within 72 hours, physical evaluation of answer sheets instead of online assessment, age relaxation for candidates affected by delays, mandatory audits of computer-based testing systems before exams, and merit-based awarding of contracts for conducting examinations. Meanwhile, a guest teacher in Haryana's Rohtak district, Sulekha Dalal, was suspended with effect from June 8th after participating in the protest. According to an order issued by the district elementary education officer, though no reason was mentioned, she came into public attention after a video of her Delhi protest speech went viral, where she said she attended the protest as a concerned mother whose son had appeared in a recruitment examination allegedly affected by irregularities. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.